Okay, so in this class we have to integrate root over sec square x plus 3. So if you'll observe, we have problem with both the situations. Okay, like if you know that if you will take this as z, you don't have anything which can become dz, correct? Now, so how we should approach this question? So first you are observing root. So hopefully you can think about rationalization. Hopefully, okay. So let's try to do that. So what I'll do, I'll multiply and divide by root of the same thing. So we will have sec square x plus 3 on the numerator, and then we will have sec square x plus 3 in the denominator dx. Okay. Now, the point is, I will segregate this question into two questions. That is sec square x, and you will understand beautiful concept over here. Just be focused. So, like I have to write something over here. I will avoid writing that for time being. Now look at this. Now, now this time you have already used sec. So we are left with 3. So it is dx by, okay, what to write, that you will help. Now, my idea is, look at this component, this green part. So if you will observe, you have numerator as sec square x. Now, do you remember that in class 11th, you guys have studied trigonometric function or equation? Over there, we guys have studied n number of formulas, and those formulas we have memorized some special situation, that we have memorized all the formula in terms of 10. Sine 2 theta in terms of 10, cos 2 theta in terms of 10, tan 2 theta in terms of 10. We have memorized so many formula in terms of 10. So why we did that, you will understand those things in this indefinite integration. So look at this. So have you ever seen anything gives as its differentiation as sec square x? Correct. It was your 10x. So if you will take 10x as z, you will have dz by dx as sec square x, and you have that component in the numerator. So you can create combination of those two things and you will end up having dz. So what we should have? We should have denominator as 10. You should have some component of 10. Now look at this. So it is sec square x. Sec square x is what? 1 plus 10 square x. So can I write 10 square x plus 1 plus 3? So it is 4. Okay. Now I'll break this function first. So what I'll do, I'll take z as tan theta. So we will have dz by root over z square plus 2 square. Now look at this. Denominator is having root. So if it is root, we are comfortable with sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is having root over 1 minus x square, but this is x square plus a square. So we are not comfortable. So if we are not comfortable, we will be using log. Correct? Log, what log? X plus the question. Okay? So x plus root over z square and then 4. Okay. Now the point is, uh, look at that part, the next component. So in next component you have to write this, okay, because we don't have any number. Okay, So I will be writing, look, we don't have anything as what we should take as z. So what I will do, I will convert question into sine and cos. So can I write this tan square x as sine and cos? So I will be having sine square x plus 4 cos square x, and the denominator will, cos will go to numerator and its root will be over, so cos x. Now you can visualize that we have cos x in the denominator, correct na? Now my point is, we have we have to take, like I'll be taking y this time. So I will be taking sine as y, sine x, because I am having cos in the numerator. Okay, so I will be taking z as y as sine theta. Okay, so look at this, be very slow and look at here. So 3 root, so we will have what, look at this. So cos x will become dy. Okay, dy by dx is equal to cos x. Okay, cos x. So dx cos x will become dy, and look at this, you can write cos square as 1 minus sine square x. Okay, so 1 minus sine square x will become 4 times. Okay, and then you have subtracted 1, so it is 3 times. So can I write 3 minus 3 nahi, 4 minus 3 times sine square x, just tell me. Okay, on the denominator, and you have taken sine x as z. So can I write it, it could be 3z square. Just tell me this is right or wrong. Now what I will suggest you guys, to take 3 common, you should have x a square minus x square. Okay, you should not have any constant component. So what I'll do, I'll take root 3 common. Okay, so 3 by root 3 we will have outside, dy by root over 2 by root 3 square minus z square. Okay, now look at this. This is a square minus x square, correct na? And it is with root. So if it is with root, we are comfortable with sine. Do you remember that one? Yes. So can I write sine inverse x by a? So who is x? X is z. Who is a? 2 root 3 plus c. There I have to write y. Sorry. Here is y square. Here is y. Now you have to replace z with 10. I'll write